In this video, I will show you how to remove DuckDuckGo search from Chrome browser on PC. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. And as you can see, DuckDuckGo search engine homepage is getting displayed. Now if I make any search query, it will show results from DuckDuckGo search engine. Now to change this one, just click on three dots at the top right side. Now from the options, click on settings. On the left panel, click on search engine. Now under search engine, just click on change. And here you will find different search engines. So just select the one that you need. Let's say I will select Google. Now click on set as default. Now you need to restart your Chrome browser. And as you can see, the search engine homepage is changed now to Google. So that is how you can remove DuckDuckGo search from Chrome browser on PC. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.